So the Second World War. Now, when the First World War ended in November in 1918, people all over the world heaved a sigh of relief. But 20 years later only, nations were again stunned when the world was plunged into another terrible war that resulted in the loss of millions of human lives and billions of dollars. After the close of the First World War, the League of Nations organization was formed. And the leading nations of the world had agreed that all international disputes, whatever disputes are there internationally, would be settled by peaceful means through this League of Nations. They promised that they would work together for the preservation of the world peace. But in the years that followed, many events took place which led to the outbreak of the Second World War. Abhi tak to people were saying that a Third World War is also going to happen, but hopefully not. What are the causes of the war, Second World War? First is decline of democracy and revival of aggressive nationalism again. As a result of the First World War, there was an economic crisis तो चल ही रहा था. Large scale food shortage था, inflation was there, unemployment. These were the major issues that were faced by the nations. The democratic governments of Europe were not able to face the challenges and problems effectively. So therefore, people lost faith in democracy. Brother, a government कुछ दे ही नहीं सक रहा है हम लोग को. And the dictators right at this moment took advantage of this situation and they offered a program of aggressive nationalism. Now the most important is the Treaty of Versailles. The peace settlement at Paris was made. Actually, ये जो peace settlement हुआ था, बोला जाता है it had its spirit of revenge basically. The Germans felt that too much injustice had been done to them. The victorious powers had deprived Germany of huge tracts of territory and its colonies in East Africa, Southwest Africa, सारा were taken away from Germany. Her military strength was completely crushed. The German army was restricted to a force of 1 lakh soldiers only, and navy khali 15,000 men. Then Germany was burdened with an immense war indemnity also. She had to pay a heavy sum estimated at $33 billion. She had to give to the Allies. And they had to give up to the Allies her merchant ships also as compensation. And you know, these Germans are a very proud race. It was impossible for a proud German race to forget the consequences of the war. This encouraged the rise of Nazism in Germany. Then what was the cause of the Italians? The Italians also were highly dissatisfied with the peace settlement. Britain and France failed to satisfy Italy's colonial ambitions also. Italy had gained a few territories in Europe at the cost of Austria, but this did not satisfy her ambitions. This led to the rise of fascism in Italy. I'll talk about that also. Italy had to spend a lot of money during the war on her army and war equipments. Italian government was faced with a serious problem of poverty, hunger, disease, unemployment. Riots and strikes also broke out all over the country. In this situation, there was generally lawlessness. So the fascists seized the power in Italy and Italy turned towards Germany and Japan and concluded a treaty of friendship leading to Berlin, Rome, Tokyo, Axis power in opposition to the Franco-British alliance. So there was the allied groups, this is the Axis power. Axis power में कौन-कौन था? Italy, Germany and Japan. In 1940, Italy entered World War II.